The stream is starting.
What up? What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the live stream, the Crypto Hangout, episode 142, I believe. But thank you guys for coming to the live stream, guys. Appreciate all of you guys on here. Haven't been live in a couple of days, but we're here. We'll take a look at the markets. Give you guys here my honest opinion, what I've been doing. I've been buying. I'll share some of the coins I've been buying. And yeah, just gonna set up here for TikTok as well. But let me know how you guys been, what you guys been up to. Have you guys been buying any certain coins, selling? You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's up, Sadul? How you doing? Thank you for coming to the live stream, man. Appreciate it. But I'll share some of the coins I've been buying. I definitely been buying though. I haven't been selling, especially, or not doing anything. So I'll share some of the coins. Let's get it started here. Let's go on TikTok. Let's go on TikTok. Get the party started. And yeah. Put the music down just a tad bit here. There we go. That's not bad. That's pretty good. All right, let's get this started. I gotta break this back a little bit. There we go. That looks pretty good now. Not bad. I just gotta bring my... There you go, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's get it started. Let me set this up real quick. Add live, go. We are live. What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. As we are live here on TikTok and YouTube, we'll check out the markets and see how we're doing here. Some of the coins that are up. I'll share what I've been up to as well, guys. I've been buying a lot of coins, especially the last couple of days. The market's coming down. We'll take a look at some coins. I'll share if it's a good time to buy, a good time to not buy. But I have been buying a couple of coins. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Just started the live stream a couple seconds ago, so if you guys aren't here, you guys are early. We'll take a look at the charts as Bitcoin is around 66K, right? Making its way back here to 66K after coming down to 65K today. And Ethereum has actually been holding up pretty well here against Bitcoin. But we'll take a look at the charts here in a bit, tell you if I'm bullish, bearish. Thank you for the follows, guys. Don't forget to like. If you guys are over TikTok and YouTube, don't forget to like. And if you still haven't yet, join the free Telegram and Discord. Cryptopolis, 100% free. But yeah, let's check out the markets here. Kind of curious here to see some charts. Comment below what coins you guys want me to first see here to check out. I'll definitely be checking out all the coins tonight. But yeah, this is on the daily, right? On the top 100 daily. A lot of coins down here on the daily, except a couple of coins. Ronin down a lot. Stacks, Injective as well. So Duel, thank you for coming on TikTok as well, bro. Appreciate you on here. Please make sure Quant isn't dead. I don't think Quant's dead. I just think it's slow. It's a slow mover, right? I mean, it's moving. It's moving similar to XRP, XLM. So whenever those coins start to move, then we'll probably see Quant start to move too. But Bitcoin trying to hold 66K. And we can see here, I'm actually bullish. I think that all Bitcoin is doing is just building support on its previous all-time highs. This is what I believe here. Right, we're just building support here on our previous all-time highs. So, you know, there's a lot of resistance here. Obviously, this was the all-time highs, and we're just, I mean, this is 100% normal. Even if we go down further here into, you know, 60K again. So I think I said this already. It's gonna be a couple months after the halving, which is right here, for us to start to move up heavy. You know, to have the next leg up, just like we had the leg up here. So yeah. Thank you for sharing the live stream. We got over 100 people, over 112. We got 112 likes, guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like the stream. Hi, what's up, Summer? Thank you for coming to the live stream. Let me know if you guys like my shirt right here, guys. Do you guys like my shirt ready for July 4th? But thank you guys for coming. Let's check out, we're gonna check out all the coins today, guys. Let's check out all the coins. Because I've been buying coins, and I'll share the coins I've been buying. Bro, you think Arrow will do $20? I don't know. Let's check out Arrow. Will Arrow do $20? Arrow drum. You know, I don't think it's impossible at 83 cents, right? I mean, it'll basically be like a 20x or so from here. And, you know, I can't tell you if it will, because we can see here, this is Arrow's first bull market. It literally got launched, right? But the good thing is that they have Coinbase backing it up. And, you know, they have a nice chart here ever since it got launched. So I can't tell you it won't. It depends a lot on the project developing. So this depends a lot on fundamentals, because it's hard to do technical analysis for coins that just got launched a couple months ago, like Arrow. But I like the fundamentals, especially since it's backed by Coinbase. So I wouldn't put it out of the cards yet for $20. Okay. So, just my opinion. Thank you, ZZ. Thank you for the gifts, guys. We already got over 300 likes. Thank you so much for the gifts. We're gonna check out all your coins here tonight. Talk about the crypto markets. I really don't understand why people are like, the sentiment is low. It just makes me more bullish, and that's why I've been buying. I'll share some of the coins I've been buying. Just for a lot of you guys that have been, you know, feeling fear in the markets or this bad sentiment. Let me just remind you guys where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is literally at the previous all-time highs. Okay, we're at the previous all-time highs, basically building support. This is what we're honestly doing. We're building support on our previous all-time highs before we can start to have that next leg up. Okay, and that to me is pretty healthy, and I like that, because that tells me that we're not topping out this year. You know, doing this, Bitcoin is most likely topping out now for sure in 2025, based on how fast we were going up here before the halving. So I like that. But the thing, guys, is there's so many people that are bearish while Bitcoin is at the previous all-time highs, right? And I love that, because we're literally at all-time highs from last market cycle. People are bearish, and that just tells you how much further Bitcoin is going up this bull market. And the fact that retail isn't interested, like retail is really not in crypto yet, right? There's a little bit of retail, right, from the last couple months here, especially with the rise of Bitcoin, you know, over last year, right? There are retail, but it's nothing compared to right here, to the euphoria right here in 2021. So retail is not fully in. The sentiment is pretty bearish. So, you know, all that makes me bullish. Yeah, and a lot of people are getting impatient. Definitely not bearish. Yeah, that's the thing. People get impatient. People get bored. But you want to buy when it's boring and when you're losing patience. Yeah, retail. Retail is dumb money, right? They're going to buy at the all-time highs, euphoria stage. So it's a great way to measure where we are in the markets by looking at retail. And wow, thank you, Wendy. Sorry if I missed some gifts, guys. Wendy, thank you so much for the heart. I just saw it right here now. When I'm talking about the charts, I'm looking at my PC screen. But now when I'm talking with you guys, I can see the gifts. Thank you, ZZ, as well. Thank you for all the gifts. You guys are amazing. Checking out here the charts on the daily. A lot of coins down. Only a couple coins up, like NOT, Lido, Akash, right? Uniswap a little bit. And let's take a look on the weekly. Because I love looking at this because it gives me an idea what coins to buy. And I like buying the coins that are down the most that I already hold in my portfolio. So for example, a great one here is probably AVAX, right? Even though AVAX is not down a lot, it's still down like 10%. Oh, here's a great one that this is one of the coins that I bought the most on this recent dip, and that's Data. Data's down 17%. I've been trying to reach my goals, and I finally reached my goals for Data. I don't have to buy any more Data based on my my goals that I wanted to reach. And this was a great time to buy it. 17% down, right? Data's back at what, 165? When it almost it ran up to $3 basically. So it went from $3 and now back to 165. So Data's one of them. Chainlink's another one. Chainlink's another one that I bought recently. Thoughts on Jasmy chart. Yeah, let's check out Jasmy. Comment the coins you guys want me to check out below too. We'll check out Jasmy here for Raydell. Thoughts on the Jasmy chart. The Jasmy looks very bullish. And I remember last time covering Jasmy, I told you guys this. And then I tell you guys, I said, once Jasmy breaks this range here, it's going to be very bullish. And that's exactly what it did. We broke out of that range. And now this is normal, right? Because the market started to come down. As soon as Jasmy started to pump, and it's kind of weird, right? As soon as Jasmy broke this range and it started to pump, market started to come down. And that really broke the momentum here for Jasmy. Because obviously, most of the markets are going to follow Bitcoin. So I'm very bullish on Jasmy, right? We might see like a retest here for Jasmy before it has the next leg up, something like that. So if Jasmy has a big dump here with the markets coming back down to 0.22, around there, right? 0.22, 0.24, then that might be the higher low here for Jasmy to watch out for, where it starts to pivot. Okay, if you're looking for a good entry. But I am liking the charts here for Jasmy. It's not like if Jasmy was like down here still, I would be bearish, but it's not, right? It's not here under a penny, it's over a penny. So I do like the Jasmy setup. Thank you for the follows, guys. Thank you for everyone that just followed. Comment the coins, I'll check them out here for you guys as we look here at Bitcoin 66K. Hey, what's up, Rick? Anytime, Red, though. Jose Silva, what's up, Jose? I'm not in any long trades at the moment. Yeah, was Jasmy, I don't know too much about Jasmy fundamentally, but whoever, I'm pretty sure Raydell does. Was Jasmy supposed to have a burn? Raydell says Jasmy has most of its coins in circulation already. Oh, okay. But were they supposed to have a burn? Kevin asks, what do I think about Maria? Great question. Maria is one of the new coins that came out here. It's a crypto gaming coin that kind of reminds me. It's basically like Gala. If you guys don't know what Gala is like, it's a crypto gaming launcher, right? So Maria is not just a one game itself, Maria is a crypto gaming launcher like Gala, but a lot more lower cap. If you compare Gala market cap to Maria is a lot more lower cap. So with that, there's gonna be more risk. But if Maria does well and survives, you're probably gonna get more rewards. You're gonna probably make a lot more versus higher caps like Gala. This is the chart right here for Maria. It doesn't look too bad, you know, because yes, we had the dump, right? We had the recovery from the bear market, but we're having the dump now to basically form support right here from the bear market resistance level. So if Maria breaks this level right here and starts breaking it here to like right here to the downside, then I'll be very bearish. But honestly, where it's at right now, it's at a critical level that if you're bullish on this, I think it's a great time to buy. But you got to understand there's risk with this, right? If it breaks this level, something like this, I'll be very bearish. But if it does survive, it's gonna basically flip this resistance as support here to then pivot up, do something like that. Okay, that's what I see right here from Maria. But yeah, my thoughts on Maria. I think it's a very it's a coin that's very risk on because crypto gaming is risky. But I like the fact that it's a crypto game launcher. It's not just based on one game like Illuvium or Sandbox, Mana, and a bunch of other coins that are based on one game. So with that, there's less risk too. So thank you, ZZ. Wow, I appreciate all the gifts, ZZ. We got 5,000 likes. You guys are killing it. Thank you guys for the likes. We got 77 people on here. Let me know more coins you guys want me to check out. There's another, guys, I'm gonna give you guys here some big insight. Okay, some big, I just posted a TikTok on this 30 minutes ago. So after the stream, watch the TikTok. I think this is gonna be huge, and it's happening this month, and that is Caspa. Caspa is launching KRC20s this month. Okay, and with that, there's gonna be Caspa meme coins. Yes, Caspa meme coins launching. These are smart contracts coming here to the Caspa ecosystem. So I would not sleep on Caspa. This is a coin I've been buying around 3 cents and went all the way up to 20 cents. And the smart contracts are coming this month, and some meme coins are being launched this month. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Yeah, so this is the thing right here. So I just made a TikTok on this. If you want to know more about it, check out my latest TikTok. But Caspa unleashing KRC20 smart contracts. This is nothing to sleep on, okay? Because, you know, this is gonna be a huge. If you missed out on Solana, right, don't miss out on Caspa, because there's going to be a lot of coins coming out on Caspa, which is already a rank 25 coin. It's already ranked 25 with no big tier 1 listings like Coinbase or Binance. So, and they have a huge community, right? I mean, it's literally ranked 25. So I think this is going to be huge. I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes on this, and I'm going to be investing on a lot of new meme coins coming out on Caspa. Now, is it going to be risk on? Yes. Could some meme coins rug pull? Yeah. But it's a risk I'm willing to take. So I'm going to bring you guys updates on that. So don't sleep on Caspa. And check out my latest TikTok if you guys still haven't yet. Sterling says, Cock Inu. You want me to check out Cock Inu? Let's check it out. That's actually a coin I recently got a position in this month. I bought some Cock Inu here on the downside. And I was smart. I waited till Cock Inu had that dump, and it did, right? I waited. A lot of people were talking about it right here, and I didn't buy it. I did not buy up there. I bought it when it was right here, right? And it's still dumping. So, you know, it might dump further down. Let me check out a better chart here. Where's the better chart? Okay, I guess KuCoin has the best chart. And we can see Cock Inu is fairly new. I mean, this got launched here back in December 2023. So my TikTok is this one right here. This is my TikTok. You just, I guess you scroll or you can follow me. But this is my TikTok, and my latest videos are like on my profile page. Okay, so let's check out Caspa Inu. To be honest, this doesn't, you know, based on the chart, we can see that this is a really aggressive downtrend here ever since topping out here in March 2024, right? And this doesn't look like it has any time to end here, right? I wouldn't tell you to buy right now, even though I did buy right here. I bought right here, but guess what? It had another leg down, and it looks like it could possibly come down even further because it lost this critical support, which was right here. This is why I bought it right here, because I thought it would hold this level, and it didn't. And I'm fine with that. You know, I still am happy I bought it way lower here versus up here. So if Caspa Inu really doesn't hold this level where it's at right now, right, where we can see before it went up crazy, we can see right here it had some resistance right here, and then it pulled through it. If we break through that right here, then I'll be super bearish, right? But I believe over time Caspa Inu is probably gonna stay flat. So if you're waiting to buy, I would wait to see it stay flat here for a couple weeks before you get a position, so it can start to do something like that. Because if you don't, if you buy right now and then next week we do something like that, well, right, that wasn't a good idea. So that's why being patient is important, and you want to see it basically level out. Okay, do something like that, because that will be the sign that will start to pivot and create higher lows. Okay, but yeah, that's my opinion on Caspa Inu. Just be very cautious with it. Of course, it's a meme coin, it's lower cap, but yeah. And also, guys, if you guys are new to me, I have a free Telegram and Discord. I know there's a lot of paid Discords out there, paid communities. My community is 100% free. It's all in the bio, and I have both Telegram and Discord because some people don't like Discord and some people don't like Telegram, so I made two, but it's the same community and it's 100% free. Do you think Caspa will drop lower? Great question. And guys, don't worry, I'm gonna check out all the coins. We got FAT, we got Ondo, ADA, Brett. I got you guys, do not worry. But let's check out Caspa here for Kevin, because he asked an important question, which is, do I think Caspa will come down lower? Now, when you look, this is Caspa right here. When you look at Caspa's chart, and I say this so many times, this is one of the most bullish charts, bullish altcoin charts in crypto. I mean, look at this chart, right? Ever since Caspa got launched here, we can see that it's just been in this beautiful uptrend, right? Where every single dump gets bought up, right? Every single dip gets bought up, bought up, bought up. So, this is why I've been buying Caspa ever since 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, even above 10 cents I've been buying. But to answer your question, man, I think it would take a lot for Caspa to come down lower, okay? And by lower I mean like under 10 cents. I just don't see Caspa coming down under 10 cents unless Bitcoin goes down to 50K. I don't see Caspa breaking this support right here. Okay, we could even come down and retest it again if the markets are super bearish, but I don't see Caspa breaking 10 cents. It will probably come down lower here than where it's at right now. Maybe it might come down here to retest 13 cents again. Okay, but I see Caspa moving to the upside, especially because of the smart contracts coming out. They also announced a stable coin that's going to be on Caspa. Basically, this month is going to be huge for Caspa because they're unleashing KRC20 smart contracts. And when things like that happen for a coin, especially a layer 1, and it goes well, it starts to pump, right? So that's why I see Caspa doing very well and I just don't see it breaking at 10 cents. Just my opinion. She got some more coins you guys got for us. Alright, what's up, Heather? Will Bitcoin go to 64K? Great question. So, I mean, look, Bitcoin, we did come down here recently to 65K. We did have a small bounce here to 66K. So, look, I honestly still think Bitcoin can come down to 63K and basically make that a higher low, right? And this is my my indicator right here that I created. You can see right here, based on the even on the indicator, the low right here, right, 63K would be here at the bottom here based on the Fibonacci, right, where we basically got a beautiful bounce right here, right around 56K. So I can see us still coming down here to 63K and maybe making that a higher low. But you know, nothing's guaranteed. Because I'm bullish. I am very bullish here for Bitcoin. While everyone is bearish, the sentiment is bearish. When you look at this chart, guys, this is what amazes me. When you look at this chart here for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is literally forming strength and support at the previous all-time highs. You know how insane that is with how bearish people are right now? There are people that are super bearish. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is forming support and strength at its previous all-time highs. When we had, look, we had top tier euphoria right here. We had mega euphoria right over here, right? And now we're at the same level. You know, Bitcoin is a lot higher than altcoins. So Bitcoin dominance is super up. And there's a lot of people that are still bearish. And on top of all that, retail is really not in yet, right? Retail, I mean, if you compare retail right now to 2021 peak, it's not even comparable. It's not even like, and the big thing with that are the views, right? Views on videos regarding crypto on YouTube, even TikTok. Right now, compared to right here, it's not even comparable. So this just tells me how much further we're going up for Bitcoin eventually, right? Because when retail comes in, retail is that's gonna be a sign that we're near the peak, because retail is gonna be buying mostly the peak of the market. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. Even if we go down, I think Bitcoin is just leveling out and flattening out. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Sorry if I missed any gifts. When I'm looking at the charts, I'm looking on my PC screen. But thank you for all the gifts. You guys been killing it. And thank you guys over at YouTube. Shout out to people on YouTube. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream as well. Sorry if I missed some comments. Let's see what you guys got. Yeah, small red candles does say a lot about being bullish. I never heard of ICE Network. Never heard of it, to be honest. But great question about Raydell. Raydell asks, why is Caspa not on Coinbase yet? I'm going to tell you why I think Caspa is not on Coinbase. And by the way, I talked about this in my video. Caspa, this is how bullish I'm on Caspa right now. Look, Caspa is ranked 25, right? It exploded during the bear market. It's ranked 25, came out of nowhere during the bear market. And when you look around, all the coins around Caspa, ICP, Pepe, Litecoin, Polygon, Render, all these coins are on top tier 1 exchange listings like Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, except Caspa. Except Caspa, right? Caspa's on KuCoin, I believe, and I think Uphold, right? And I don't really put KuCoin and Uphold as top tier 1 list exchanges, especially since KuCoin isn't available in the United States, and you know, Uphold's really not that much popular. So the reason why I think Caspa is still not in the top tier 1 exchange listing, especially with this growth here at rank 25, I think it's because of the way Caspa came out. It's not a heavy VC invested layer 1. It was fair launched, right? And it's very community based, being fair launched and not heavy VC invested. Are there whales? Yeah, of course. Just like every project, there are whales, but it's not heavy VC invested like Solana, for example, which we know is very VC invested. So that's why I believe Caspa is still not on these exchange listings yet, and they're kind of waiting out. But I believe it will be on it soon, probably after the smart contracts coming out, and if Caspa reacts well with that and starts, going up higher and higher. So Caspa is a store of value. It's the next Bitcoin. They're trying to keep it down. Yeah, that's another reason too, right? Exactly what Crypto Bagger just said. I just think since it was fair launched, not very VC invested, yeah, I just don't think a lot of exchanges look at that versus like Solana, like I said. So, but it's one of the most bullish coins, and I've been buying since 3 cents. Nice to see you too, Frank. How you doing? Nick Hawk on YouTube says, I was in Solana, $35. Pissed I sold them all. Wow, man, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. I'm sorry to hear you sold Solana, 35. Bazan says, so I'm starting trading and have been studying for 12 months, technical analysis and much more. My goal is to make $100 a day, or what is your advice? My budget is $1,000 to start with. That's great, man. That's great I started trading. If you want to, I got some indicators in my link tree. If you want to check them out, that I created them myself, based on Fibonacci and other things. But yeah, look, to be honest, I would say stick with spot trading. Don't get into leverage trading like crazy. And that goes for all beginner traders. Don't go straight into leverage trading, because the way these exchanges make leverage trading, they make it addictive. Okay? And they make it so you can turn it to gambling and really not have a strategy. So don't go straight into leverage trading. Wait till you're good. Wait till you make money in spot trading. Wait till you get consistent making money in spot trading. PJ, please stop spamming. But yeah, don't forget to definitely check out my my indicators in my link tree. I got 3 indicators. I'll share one of them. This is one of them right here. I created it myself. I coded it myself. It's called the Fib Waves, and it's based on Fibonacci. And I'm going to be using this to know when to buy next bear market, right? Because based here on my indicator, you can see the best times to buy are right here in the green, right? Best time bear market, and this catches all the bear market territory. So most likely next bear market, we're going to be here in the green again, maybe in 2026, 2027. So Ondo chart, please. Yeah, we'll check out Ondo. So which coin do you recommend to invest? Great question. Look, I have a watch list that I invest on coins. I'll share some of my watch list. If you want to get my watch list, official watch list, it's in my link tree. But some of the coins I really like, AVAX is underrated. I really like Avalanche. I will look into that. Chainlink is another big one. So Avalanche, Chainlink, Caspa, already talked about Caspa. Even HBAR, I do have some HBAR as well. Crypto.com, Chronos, the Graph. This is a coin I bought recently. The Graph, at 23 cents. Okay. Data is another big one. I really like Data. If you didn't know, having at least 1,000 Data, you can have a Guardian node, and with having the Guardian node, it's basically like staking Data. You're earning its gas token, so definitely look into Data. But yeah, those are just a couple of coins here. If you want to check out my full watch list, it's in my Patreon. But those are just some of the coins just off the top of my head. PJ, please stop spamming. Okay, I would check out my lady, but only if you stop spamming. But yeah, let's check out some more coins you guys got here for us. Jonathan says maybe in 2060. Crypto Cleaner, what's your price target on the graph? Yeah, let's check out the graph. GRT. This is one of my very bullish coins here. A price target for the graph. You can see, look, you can see why I bought the graph. I bought some today, I bought some yesterday, and this was a coin that I actually missed out on. I missed out on the graph as it went from, you know, bear market lows here from nearly 5 cents all the way here to 50 cents. And look, I was smart. I told you guys I missed out on the graph here, but I didn't buy the top. I didn't FOMO in. I waited, and I recently bought right here on the pullback to the golden pocket. Perfect golden pocket. Look at that. We're exactly in the golden pocket right now for the graph. And I bought some. The graph here in the golden pocket at 23 cents, coming down basically over 50% from 51 cents. Okay. So, I mean, ultimately here, based on Fibonacci, you know, if the graph does survive and it becomes one of the biggest coins, altcoins here during this bull market, we can see the top. It could top out here in between $9 to $15 based on Fibonacci. So that's where I probably will be taking profits. $9 to $15. So yeah, but I do like what it's doing, right? It's basically flipping resistance as support, right? It has to flip it as support to have the next leg up. So, and look, don't get me wrong, the graph, it can lose that golden pocket, even come down here before it starts to have that next leg up. So yeah, thank you for the likes, guys. Got 12,000 likes. Thank you for everyone that followed. We got a lot of new followers today. If you guys are new to me, I have a free Telegram and Discord. My community is 100% free. We got over 100 people on Discord and I believe 400 people on Telegram. And it's on the link tree. Bree asked for Shiba. All right, let's check out Shiba. A lot of even you guys here on YouTube asking for Shiba. Bazan says, what are your views on meme coins? Look, if you guys are OG to me, because I've been live streaming during this entire bear market before meme coins started to blow up. Right? You guys remember before meme coins started to blow up during the bear market? I was bullish on meme coins. I was one of the only few people that was bullish on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, right? All these, even Bonk. I was bullish on all these meme coins before we started to have meme coin, you know, and we're still having meme coin season. But you want to take profits. You want to sell all your meme coins when we're at the top peak euphoria, because they're gonna take a huge hit, right? So, and that goes for every coin, not just meme coins. And if you're playing with like really low cap meme coins, you got to know when to get out and when to get in to get out. Right? It's different. Like low cap meme coins are different from Shiba and Dogecoin and Pepe, for example, because a lot of them are like pump and dumps, right? They're very volatile. So yeah. But yeah, let's check out Shiba Inu here, and then we'll check out some coins. A lot of you guys are asking for Kendu. Let me know more about Kendu. What is Kendu fundamentally before I take a look at his charts? Let me know more about it in the comments. If the profit makes you smile, yes, great point right there by Jonathan. The profits make you smile. I would even add on to that and say, if you make life-changing profits, you better take, you know, most of that money out, not even like 20% or 10%. Take 80, 90%. If you make life-changing money this bull market, you better take profits, guys. Like, honestly, do not be greedy. What happened last cycle, what happens all the cycles, are people get greedy. They think we're going to go even higher. And then they go down 90%. So that's what you got to remember. Kindle is supported by Shiba devs. Really? It's supported by Shiba devs? I definitely got to look into that. If it's supported by Shiba devs. But let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Okay, I'll give you my honest opinion here based on Shiba's chart. And wow, look at that, guys. I gotta make a clip. I gotta find a clip where I talked about Shiba losing that 0.5 here, possibly losing that 0.5 when it was around here. I made a clip where I talked about on stream when Shiba was up here. I literally said Shiba can still come down to that 0.5 and lose it, and that's exactly what we done. We came down here, stayed here for 3 months, and on the 3rd month we lost it, and we're headed down here to the golden pocket, which I believe will be Shiba Inu's bottom. Okay, I honestly don't see Shiba breaking under this. Okay, I see Shiba dumping lower, but not breaking that golden pocket. So if you see Shiba at these price levels right here, 16, 18, 17, I honestly think that might be the low, the bottom right here for Shiba, especially because when you look at this, you can see that golden pocket. Look at all that resistance right here from the golden pocket, right? So there's a lot of resistance here from the bear market that we're most likely gonna flip it as support. So I can see that golden pocket being the higher low, because all we're doing now, we're waiting to see where Shiba's higher low is going to be. Right, we're having this big dump, and that higher low, in my opinion, is going to be the golden pocket. So I see Shiba doing something like that. And it's just amazing how Fibonacci is so accurate. This is why I share Fibonacci with you guys here on stream. We can see how Shiba got rejected perfectly right up here. Then we hold that 0.5 here for 3 months, lose it, and now we're coming here to the golden pocket. So it's really great to see that. But yeah. Buy the top, just don't sell. Thank you for all the likes. We got 13,000 likes. It's okay, bro. We are here. We here for you. What happened? What happened with Doge? Doge says, I put all my money I had on Shiba and almost lost it. Really? Did you buy when Shiba was up here? Did you buy when Shiba, had that first pump? Because if you did, I mean, if you bought here near the top here when Shiba had that first pump, Shiba already came down here approximately 55%. So Shiba came down 55% here since topping out in March. So this is why, look, this is why you guys got to use Fibonacci to your advantage. Because this is why, look, this is why I share Fibonacci on live streams with you guys. The reason why is because as we were pumping up here, you can see, okay, that 0.23, that's a lot of resistance right there. Right? I'm not going to buy Shiba Inu because we're literally right here. Okay? I don't care how much FOMO, fear of missing out, there is in the market. Shiba is at a critical fib level. And guess what? That's exactly where it topped out. And it came down here. Right? People were disagreeing with me when I said Shiba can come down here to that 0.5 when we were up here pumping. And now we lost that 0.5, and we could possibly come down here to the golden pocket, wick down to the golden pocket before having the next leg up and pivoting to the upside. So even though all this is happening, I'm still super bullish on Shiba Inu. Mainly, look, if you want to know why I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, right? you look at the charts, a lot of altcoins did not have this recovery. A lot of altcoins are still in bear market territory. Shiba Inu, with a lot of coins like Dogecoin and some other coins, broke out of that bear market resistance, which was right here, which was the golden pocket. We broke out of it, and all we're doing now is we're coming back down to flip that support. That's it. It's just that simple. So long term, I'm bullish on Shiba, on the price action. But short term, I could see Shiba coming down lower. So yeah, average down. And that's the thing too, guys, right? You never want to go all in at a certain time. Because if you go all in at the top, like it was in March, you're down 50%, right? So, yeah. But, man, you guys been killing it tonight. We got 13,000 likes, over 75 people. If you guys are new to me, again, join the free Telegram, the free Discord. And there you guys can share your favorite coins, meme coins, or any coins, that is. So, do you think it will hit lower 0.5, 0.6, like 0.11? What do you mean, what will hit that? What do you mean cryptocurrency market? So for a lot of you guys that are new coming in here, I don't know if you missed this, but I said I can see Shiba. Yeah, so I don't know if you missed this, but I said I can see Shiba coming down here to the golden pocket, which would bring it to here around 15, right? So 13, what was it? 13, 15, 16, around there. That's where I see Shiba bottoming out here. Mainly because, look, you can see we got resistance here even during the bear market at those levels. So that's why I believe I see Shiba coming down to those levels. Yeah, that's where I believe the bottom will be for SHIB. What I just said. Top fib levels for Shiba. All right. Let's check out Shiba Inu price predictions here then. And of course, this is all based on Fibonacci, but based on Fibonacci. And look, before I share this, guys, actually I'll share it first. But based on Fibonacci, some price targets here where Shiba could possibly top out, where I'm definitely going to be taking profits, is right here. 00019 through 00027, right? This is where I'm taking most of my profits, somewhere in between this range. So when Shiba is in this range here, I'm gonna take out most of my profits. Now let's say Shiba really does go parabolic, and I don't know, maybe passes Dogecoin. I don't know what can happen, but the 618 right here for Shiba Inu is 00054. So I don't see it going higher than that. Okay. If Shiba really does go crazy, I don't see it going higher than 00054. Okay, so just my opinion, guys. Bros using Fib for crypto. Yeah, well, what's wrong with using Fibonacci for crypto, right? Because look, using Fibonacci for crypto, right? This is Bitcoin right here. I predicted the top for Bitcoin using Fibonacci, right? So if you want to make fun of me using Fibonacci, look at that, right? Getting the bottom right here and the top, you would have predicted the top right here in 2021 being that 618. And you would have known this as we were coming up right here. You would have had the Bitcoin top of 2021. So I don't know what's your why you think Fibonacci is not useful. And here's an even better example. This is the crypto total market cap. I did Bitcoin, right? Now let's do right here the crypto total market cap. Where do we top out here in the crypto total market cap? Exactly at that 618, right? At 3 trillion. Look at that. So these guys want to come out here and talk down on using Fibonacci. I mean, look at that. I did Bitcoin. Now crypto total market cap, we topped out exactly at the 618. So I don't know. I mean, does that seem random to you? But thank you guys for the follows. You guys been killing it. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate it. Anytime, James. Anytime, bro. And let's check out some more coins you guys got for us. You guys been killing it today. James says, good point. Thank you, James. Look here. I just gave you Bitcoin, right? I gave you Bitcoin, the crypto market cap. Now I'm going to give you Shiba Inu. For Shiba Inu's top right here using Fibonacci, right? So you can see right here. It's better if I do this on the weekly. But even Shiba Inu, you can see we get the top right here. Let me see. Let me use a better chart because this chart doesn't. This chart doesn't have yet. That chart doesn't have more history here for Shiba Inu. So right here, perfect example. Right, even on Shiba Inu, look at that. This is Shiba Inu, right? Where does Shiba Inu top out? For the guy that was hitting on Fibonacci, right? Where does Shiba top out here in peak of 2021? Right? What was it random? Was it some random, price? Or was it exactly on my Fibonacci level right here? Tell me. I mean, I literally just got right here at the top, right? And I got the bottom right here. So you could have had this chart when Shiba was here, and even right here. And you would have been like, okay, Shiba's at that critical Fibonacci level. Maybe I should sell. Right? Maybe I should take Fibonacci seriously and sell. And if you would have done that, you would have watched Shiba just collapse here in the bear market. So, yeah. $60K or $80K next. I think $60K is definitely possible. I mean, honestly, I can see Bitcoin coming down to $63K and then that being the higher low, right? But we might see something like where Bitcoin comes down to 63K and then that'll be the higher low, and then we start working our way up here to 80K. But I'll lean more towards 60K since we're way closer to it, and also since Bitcoin is still not a couple months after the halving, right? And I said this before, Bitcoin is gonna start to move parabolic and really gain that momentum months after the halving. It's only been 2 months, so I believe at least 2 more months before Bitcoin really starts to pivot to the upside. All right, just like we did right here last halving, right? What do you see last halving? We see Bitcoin start to gain that momentum to the upside and really take off. Okay, and same thing, the halving after that, back here in 2016, right? What do you see right here after the halving? Bitcoin start to gain momentum and really take off. So that's what I see happening here for Bitcoin. And this is why I'm super bullish, right? People, I just don't understand how people are bearish right now when Bitcoin is literally making strength and support at the previous all-time highs, guys. You know how insane that is? We're building support and strength here at the previous all-time highs. Meanwhile, retail is, I mean, just look at this. Look, put this in your mind right now. Compare retail right here in 2021 peak to retail right now at the same prices, right? But it's absolutely uncomparable. Retail right here versus right now. Not just retail, but views on crypto videos, on YouTube, on TikTok. Compare the views right here to right now. Same prices, right? But completely different sentiment. And that just makes me more bullish. That just tells me that Bitcoin is going to go way higher for retail to have to come in, for us to have to get more views. You see what I'm saying? Whoa, thank you, Crespo. I just saw it right now, brother. Thank you so much for the hat. I think that's the first time I get the Safari hat. Thank you so much, bro. And Doge, thank you for the gift, the heart gift too. Appreciate all the gifts, guys. Let me catch up with some comments here. Yasak says the halving is meaningless. I don't think the halving is meaningless. Love the fib, better than throwing blind darts. Yeah, it definitely is better than throwing blind darts. Appreciate it, chick. Yeah, retail, that's what I'm saying, guys. Retail it's gonna come in. Once if you retail come in, that's most likely gonna be the sign that we're near the peak. Near it. Whoa! Doge, thank you so much for the gifts. Oh my gosh, you've been killing it, bro. You've been killing it. We reached my goals. My goal was 100 hearts, and you helped me reach it. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. And I love your name. I love your name because Dogecoin is one of my top coins, top holdings. And it's a coin that I actually bought today. I actually bought some Dogecoin today. But yeah, guys, like let's actually check out here the Fear and Greed Index, because I'm kind of curious. I haven't checked out the Fear and Greed Index. Wow. The Fear and Greed Index is at 53, which according to it is neutral. So yeah, we're not in greed anymore, right? Which we were right here. So Fear and Greed Index at 53. It kind of makes me wonder, are we going to come down here to orange before we start to take off? Maybe, right? Maybe if Bitcoin breaks 60K, we might go down there to that orange level, which I think is like fear. But to answer your question, I think Heather said this. Heather asked, do I think this is the last dip? Look, I think here 2 months out, 1, 2, maybe 3 months out is going to be the last opportunity to buy at these levels. So in this window from right now in 2 or 3 months from now is the last dip that we possibly have for Bitcoin. So I don't know if this is the last one right here. I think we could come down a little bit lower, even 63K. Heck, even break 60K, honestly. But after 2 months, right, after the halving, right, from right now, right, so like about 4 months after the halving or so, that's when Bitcoin is going to start to change direction and pivot. If we follow the previous cycle and also the previous cycle after that, and also the previous cycle after that. So that's what I believe will happen. So basically, to make sure the story short, is these next couple months and weeks are really going to be the last time you guys have to accumulate. And that's what I've been doing. I've been accumulating a lot more coins on this this dip. But you also got to understand that Bitcoin is going to make the first move. So if you're trying to trade this, the smart thing will be to buy Bitcoin, and then when Bitcoin makes that first move to 80K or so, whatever, you basically swamp out Bitcoin for all coins that you believe in, right? But for normal people that aren't traders and aren't keeping up with the markets, I just been buying all coins and just holding it. So you do Fibonacci on Bitcoin. Yeah, so Fibonacci on Bitcoin. But yeah, look, based on Fibonacci here on Bitcoin, we can see right here, Bitcoin really does have a big dump here. That 0.23 is exactly 48K. So I would expect that 48K to really be the bottom if Bitcoin has a big crash. I just don't think Bitcoin will break that 48K if we come here to, you know, to it. But the thing is, we might not come to it. That's the thing. I don't think we will come here to 48K unless we have something very bad with the economy. And as for price prediction here on Bitcoin, based on Fibonacci, right? This is not based on my opinion. This is based on Fibonacci. The 618 is around 172K. So at the moment, I honestly think that is going to be the Bitcoin top. Could it go higher to over 200K? Yeah. But, you know, if Bitcoin is over here at the 618, all coins are up, you know, I'm going to be taking a lot of profits. Most of my profits. But that's what it's given us here with the cycle. 172K. So Ethan says, how does Fibonacci not mean anything, Ethan? Look, I just, since you just came in, I'll give you so many examples here with Fibonacci. Look, Fibonacci literally gave you the top from last cycle. Look at this. Where did Bitcoin top out? Right? You just said Fibonacci doesn't mean anything, right? Fibonacci is random, right? It doesn't mean anything. Where did Bitcoin top out? Right? Is that random to you? That doesn't mean anything. Where did it top out? I love some of these guys that hate on Fibonacci when I show them proof in the charts. And I'm not saying that it's 100% accurate all the time, but it's definitely something to look at, you know, and you know, take seriously, right? Don't mind Ethan, he a bot. Probably, right? I'm swing trading while watching you. Really, Aranda? Wow, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you for being on my live stream while swing trading. Thank you so much, bro. I hope you're doing well. Let us know what coin you're swing trading. Sterling says, I want to learn how to chart. Man, it's my recommendation, Sterling, to learn how to chart is to not buy a course. I don't sell any courses. Don't buy a course in your first 3 months at least, right? Don't buy anything like specific. Just get the app called TradingView. It's an app and it's also on the computer. And just, you know, play around with it, right? Try to make sense of it. Try to make sense of it because that's your fundamentals when you try to make sense of it. And create logic. And then you can start watching, you know, YouTube videos because that's how I started. So yeah, Ethan's the type. He's the type to chase the green. He's probably like retail money. Yeah. Render. Yeah, so Render did have a dip here. Which, I mean, you look at Render's chart, it still doesn't look that bad. I think Render has everything to this is Render's chart right here. This is a better chart right here for Render. Where last bull market 2021 it was $8. Look, to be honest, Render's doing the same thing that Bitcoin's doing, guys. Look, Render is doing the exact same thing Bitcoin's doing. It broke its all-time highs, and now all it's doing is it dipped down here to basically build strength and support from its previous all-time high. That's the same thing that Bitcoin is doing. So very bullish on Render. This is a coin that I bought here at 40 cents. And I have all the proof on. If you scroll on my TikTok, you'll see me talking about render when it was around 40 cents. But I do like render price action. And here's the thing, guys. Look, during the bull market, the dips are for buying. Right? You want to buy the dips when the momentum shifts from the bear market, which it did. Right? We shifted here from the bear market to the upside. And when this happens, the dips are for buying. The dips are for buying. Not financial advice, but that's what we know here from last bull market. It's not until we have, you know, a big crash like we did right here. Right, a big dump, and then we start to have a second one. Now usually that second or third one, that's where the bear market starts. And last bull market was the second big dump here. Right? So we had the big dump. Okay, dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Okay, we're back here. But guess what? We have another big dump. And this was the biggest bull trap ever right here. I remember this. Everyone was buy the dip, buy the dip. But this was our second big dump here. And, you know, it led us to the bear market. We did not go up. So just remember, we're going to have one or two big dumps. And most likely the second or third one, that's when we don't go back up. So, but yeah. But as we're going up, the dips are for buying, right? The dips are for buying. If the Bitcoin repeat its history, it will crash to 48K. The same crash happened in 2021. Hoping no. Yeah, if it does repeat, right? But we know that 2021, right? We had well, in 2020 we had a black swan, and you know, here's the thing, right? I wouldn't base. Could we have a black swan? Yeah, we could definitely have a black swan right here. But even while having a black swan, right, the 4-year cycle is so strong that Bitcoin still followed it, right? We had a V-shaped recovery, and we still followed it. We still recovered here. Even having that black swan during the halving, right before the halving for Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin in the next coming months is going to start to shift the momentum to the upside. But man, you guys been killing it tonight. How to Live says XRP going to 45 cents. Wow, XRP's at 47 cents. And I remember last year, when was it? July XRP had that huge pump to like a 90 cents, I believe, right? Will it happen again, guys? July's next month. Will XRP have another pump like it did last year in July? I don't know. We'll see. Heard XRP won't be able to trade its a setup from bricks to crash the US dollar. Really? I don't know, man. There's a lot of things regarding XRP. It's a coin that I do hold. I do hold some XRP, but you know, recently XRP didn't have like a big news partnership last week, I believe. But yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know what coins you guys been buying. I bought today the Graph, Dogecoin. I bought a lot of coins today. Says best meme coin to buy. Great question. Best meme, guys. Actually, let me see here. Yeah, I created a meme coin watch list here. Not a watch list. How do I get my things here? So Says just asked, what's the best meme coins to buy? So look, these are the top meme coins in the top 100 here, top 100 market cap. So, you know, obviously these meme coins already had a big pump. I out of these meme coins, obviously I really like Dogecoin, Pepe, and Shib, which are like the top 3. But I wouldn't sleep on Floki. They're coming out with a game, right? They're also part of crypto gaming. And Bonk being the #1 Solana meme coin. So if you believe in Solana, then Bonk is going to do really well. Now, in terms of lower cap meme coins, man, I mean, we can see right here, Brett just entered the top. Brett is the latest one to enter the top 10 100 market cap. So I would say that most likely there's going to be another meme coin on base, which Brett is on base, that is going to pump hard. Okay, so I would watch out for that. Just like, for example, Bonk pumped hard, right? Bonk's on Solana. And then guess what? Guess what came after Bonk? Whiff, right? After Bonk pumped hard, Whiff also pumped hard too, which is also on Solana, if I could find Whiff. So I would expect a coin on base, meme coin on base, another meme coin on base to pump hard. And I'll also look at Caspa meme coins launching. If you guys are bullish on Caspa, they're having KRC20 smart contracts come out this month. I just made a TikTok on it if you want to look at the details. But Caspa KRC20s, which are going to be the smart contracts on Caspa, launching this month. And with that, there's going to be a lot of meme coins launching on Caspa. So if you missed out on Solana, if you missed out on Base, well, Caspa, which is ranked 25, they are launching smart contracts this month. And there's already meme coins getting ready to launch and have like a fair launch meme coin. Now again, yes, there's going to be risk on. I would definitely research the meme coins if you're investing in the Caspa meme coins, because they're probably going to be rug pulls. But this is a great opportunities to get into these meme coins from day one. Okay, this is huge for Caspa. And here we can see Caspa's ranked 25. It's still not on any top tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase, like Kraken, like Binance, Crypto.com. And a big part of that is because it was fair launched. It's not heavy VC backed. And it's very community based. And I would say another big part of that too is that it's proof of work. Caspa is not proof of stake. It's proof of work. So I'm very bullish on Caspa, and I'm definitely going to be bringing more content regarding Caspa meme coins or the Caspa KRC20s on here. And yeah, Caspa very slow. Yeah, look, Caspa's DAG, so it's not the same proof of work as like Dogecoin and Bitcoin. And I would research DAG. It's basically like how do I explain it? It's not linear proof of work. It's like a web. Just search up DAG later. But I think it's gonna be great. What is the Caspa meme coins? Yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing some of the Caspa meme coins that are getting ready to launch. If you want to be, early with it, join the Telegram and Discord, which is all free. But in the next coming days, I'm gonna be posting videos here on TikTok about the upcoming Caspa meme coins and how to mint them, right? Because there are some steps. I'm gonna be making a how-to video on how to mint the Caspa meme coins when they launch. Okay, so definitely follow me on here on YouTube as well, because I'll be showing you guys step by step how to get the Caspa wallet, send Caspa over, and then be able to mint for those meme coins or whatever coins. I haven't looked into Base yet, man. I definitely want to. It's just that, I have my day job, and then I have, creating content on here, and also have live streaming. But I definitely got to look into it. Yeah, lots of money still to be made on there, right? Especially since it's, you know, part of Coinbase. So I think it's gonna be huge. Take a look at Linea Ethereum L2. Yeah, I did take a look at Linea. I think it's gonna be big too. I think I actually participated in the airdrop for it. I understand, bro. Just curious. Yeah, man. You know, I definitely gotta put some time on for researching base for sure, because, like you said, I think it's still gonna be, it's gonna be growing a lot more. Shiba, good entry point, bro. I remember you said between 18 to 20. Yeah, look, if you're bullish on Shiba long term, I think right now is a good time to DCA. You know, buy little chunks, but you know, Shiba, I would say the lowest Shiba can go is right here, right? 15, maybe 14. But even right here, I think it's still a great time to DCA, to buy Shiba. You don't want to be greedy, because we might not come down here exactly to the target. We might just come down here in the middle, and then that'll be our bottom. So I think it's a good time. Especially, I mean, when you look at this, Shiba came down 55% already, right? From the top here, we came down 55%. So you're buying Shiba Inu at a 55% discount from March. So I'd say that's a good deal. Not financial advice, but just remember, if we dip down lower, we might still reach those levels of 15 and 14. So that 150k Bitcoin looking rough right now. What 150? What do you mean 150k Bitcoin? I still think Bitcoin is gonna go higher, way higher than that. I definitely don't think 150k is looking rough. I mean, to be honest, guys, like, we might see Bitcoin over a 200k. If everything aligns, right? Especially if Trump becomes president, I could see Bitcoin over 200k. But eventually, right, we'll probably have the bear market in 2026, starting 2026, and then we might have a big recession that'll be on Trump, right? And you'll be the blame for it. So I could see that happening too. So a lot of possibilities and scenarios. Especially since Trump is coming out. I mean, even today, Trump just talked about in his speech, I think he had like a speech today where he was talking about keeping Bitcoin in the United States, basically like the mining, right, in Florida or whatever. So Trump, you know, he's coming out as very pro crypto recently, and obviously, you know, everyone knows that it's, you know, to get more votes, right? Maybe he did change his mind, maybe he's being genuine, but I think it's to get more votes. I just hope that if he wins, he follows through with it, right? If he wins, that he really is pro crypto and anti CBDC. But it's a great thing that's happening, because as soon as we saw him being pro crypto, you also see the Dems also start to be pro crypto, right? When they weren't pro crypto. I mean, Biden, and, you know, you also have Elizabeth Warren that is very anti crypto. They're pro CBDC. They are pro central bank digital currency, which we know is very, very bad. So yeah, for sure, Lito. Yeah, I mean, look, it's all politics, right? That's what you gotta understand. Lunchbox says Dogecoin, will it go up? Yeah, we haven't checked out Dogecoin yet, guys, right? Donald Trump said he hopes that the stock market will crash. No, what did he say that today or recently? When did he say that the stock market would crash? But checking out Dogecoin here for Lunchbox. We'll check it out right here. Nizzo, what's up, Nizzo? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. I just realized we got 15,000 likes. Thank you guys so much. We got a lot of people on here and on YouTube as well. This is great. This is great. You know, because with the sentiment being down, I love having you guys on here. And I just hope you guys are as bullish as I am in the crypto markets. And the more bearish, the more bearish sentiment there is, the more bullish I am. But yeah, look, my honest opinion on Dogecoin. I bought Dogecoin today. I've been buying here the last couple of days. We came down here to that golden pocket, which I said we would when we were up here. I told you guys we'll probably come down here to the golden pocket. Now, are we gonna hold this? Are we breaking it? We're already starting to break it. Okay, Dogecoin is already starting to break it here on the monthly, at least. It's right on it. This is why I bought it today. I bought some more today. We're right on that golden pocket. But if we do break it, I don't see Dogecoin dropping like even harder. I see a lowest coming down here to possibly 11 to 10 cents maybe. This is the lowest I see Dogecoin coming down if we have a crash here for Bitcoin. And then that's where I see the bottom being for Dogecoin. But the reason why I bought today is because we might not come down there, right? I'm not going to try to be greedy and wait till Dogecoin is down here a couple cents lower to buy in. You know, I've been buying in right here. So overall, I'm super bullish on it. Nizzle, thank you, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for the flowers and the music play button. I think first time I get that. But as I was saying, the reason why I'm bullish on Dogecoin is because we had that leg up. We had that recovery from the bear market. And all we're doing now is coming down to flip that bear market resistance as bull market support and creating a higher low. Okay. So this is very bullish price action for Dogecoin. This dump right here is very normal along with the rest of the markets. It's just about flipping it as support here. So if we come down here to 10 cents, 11 cents, there's going to be a lot of fear. Like, remember this, there's going to be a lot of fear if we come down here to 11 to 10 cents. And they're going to say, it's over, we're coming down even lower. But the thing is, you can see that we had a lot of resistance here during the bear market. But now we're attacking it from the top, right? We're coming down here from the top. So I believe we're going to flip that as support. Okay, so I'm bullish on Dogecoin. And it's a coin I've definitely been buying. It's one of my top positions. But thank you guys for the likes. You guys are killing it today. Mr. Cuz says, bro, the alts are not doing good. Okay, so let me answer this. Mr. Cuz just said the altcoins are not doing good. This is 100% normal for the altcoins to not do good. Okay, let me implement that in your guys' mind. The altcoins not performing as good as Bitcoin is 100% normal. It happened last cycle, and all that is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is going to make the first move, and then all that money from Bitcoin making that first move is slowly going to come into altcoins. But Bitcoin still have yet to make that first explosive move here after the halving, right? And when I mean the first move, I mean to 80K, 89K, 100K. So before that, altcoins are going to be underperforming versus Bitcoin. And a great way to look at this, guys, is to just look at your favorite altcoin Bitcoin chart. So for example, just look at Doge BTC. So this is Dogecoin Bitcoin chart, right? What do you see? This is basically Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, right? It's just in this ugly downtrend. And this is for a lot of altcoins out there, because Bitcoin is outperforming the markets. It's going to make the first move. And this is what's going to happen. The same thing that happened last cycle. What happened last cycle? We were just downtrending, then out of nowhere, explosion to the upside. But guess what? The only reason we got this explosion here when Dogecoin started to move was after Bitcoin made the first move. You see what I'm saying? And Bitcoin made the first move right here. When Dogecoin was down here, Bitcoin made the first move. Meaning Bitcoin exploded up. And then after that, then Dogecoin started to outperform Bitcoin. That's why this chart is going up, because Dogecoin is outperforming Bitcoin. And ever since then, Bitcoin has been outperforming Dogecoin, along with a lot of altcoins out there. So this is why, I'm trying to explain to you guys that altcoins not doing well is 100% normal. But it's just the way the markets move. Bitcoin's gonna be the first mover. So if you're a trader, it will be smart to buy Bitcoin, and then once we go to 80K, 89K, right, you slowly go into altcoins. Mr. Cuz says, I'm telling you, Bitcoin ain't making a move anymore. It's only gonna go down. What makes you think it's only gonna go down? I'm curious. I want to know why, because the sentiment is bearish, right? A lot of people think that the top is in, that we're only gonna go down. But let me know your thoughts, because I'm curious. I want to know why a lot of people are bearish. Because I'm showing you guys this right now. We're literally at all-time highs, building support. Bitcoin is at the previous all-time highs, building support. Back here in 2021, ultimate euphoria, right? Crypto videos, so many views on crypto videos. Retail was at all in, and now fast forward, we're at the same price, and retail is not in. Clearly, retail is not in. Crypto videos are not getting views, and the sentiment is bearish. Meanwhile, we're at the same price, building support at the previous all-time highs. So this is why I'm very bullish, and I believe Bitcoin in a couple of months is going to start to have the next leg up. Yeah, we came down to 56K. I mean, I wouldn't say 56. I would say even 48K, lowest it can go. But we came down to 56K. Look, if we come down to 56K again for Bitcoin, I believe we'll break it and possibly go down to 48K. But we might not, we might not do that. I'm telling you, stocks are at all-time highs, and with inflation, Bitcoin can't even break 72K. What makes you think stocks are all-time highs? Yeah, I know some things about Proppy. Proppy's is looking to tokenize real estate, right? I think things are different at this time with the institutional investors. Yeah, right. We have the ETFs, and look, the Ethereum ETFs are going to go into trading next month, right? So we're gonna have Ethereum ETFs in the market trading next month. Lunchbox says max price for Dogecoin this bull run, I would say around 260. So in between from 160 to around 230. $2. Lido says he's probably referring to the SPY. It's continuously hitting all-time highs, but not the entire market. Maybe, right? I mean, I don't keep up. I do keep up with the stock market, but not individual stocks. I know Nvidia is been doing crazy. But don't get me wrong. I do think that the stock market is going to start to crash. Possibly, honestly, I think maybe 2025 or 2026. So I don't think the top is, in for the markets. Yeah, 230 for Dogecoin. Yes, probably seems like a great project. Should I DCA? look, man, Proppy is still very low cap, so it's definitely risky, right? Versus other RWA coins like Ondo and some other ones that are higher cap. But if you believe in it, if you believe they've been developing, then yeah, definitely DCA. These next couple months are the last time to DCA in a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin before we start to move up. Tariq says Dogecoin won't recover. What do you? Dogecoin already recovered. What are you talking about? Dogecoin won't recover, right? I mean, look at this. This is Dogecoin's chart. This guy's saying Dogecoin won't recover. This is Dogecoin right here, right? Look at this. This is Dogecoin right here, right? This is the bear market. This is the bear market, right? What do you see right here? Also, last market. This is the bear market, right? What do you see? What do you see happen here, right? Dogecoin, boom, right? What is it doing? It's doing the same exact thing. It's doing the same exact thing from last bull market. Versus a lot of coins which haven't recovered. A lot of coins are like down here in the bear market territory. Meanwhile, Dogecoin exploded from the bear market resistance level, and all it's doing now is coming down to retest it as possible support, creating a higher low. So I don't know what you mean by that. I mean, you're acting like Dogecoin is still at 5 cents or something. The market's due for a correction. The trend is definitely extended, but I don't know about a crash personally. Yeah, for sure. I mean, in all honesty, Bitcoin, like Bitcoin for the last 3 months has just been in limbo here of just, you know, flattening out here. It really hasn't done anything, to be honest. Right? We went to 56K. Came back up here, went to 72K. Junior says, they rookies, Lewis. You're right, Junior, you're right. I gotta go easier on them. I gotta go easier on the rookies. It's probably retail money. When will it go up next year, I guess? Lunchbox, it's not gonna be next year. Right? This is the thing too, right? Once we start to get a dip or even a pump, people start to think like it's gonna be way later that we pump or go down, right? So for Dogecoin, we start to come down in the markets. You gotta understand the crypto markets move fast. They move fast. So, you know, yes, we came down here. Dogecoin went from 21 cents back down to 13 cents or 14 cents, but that can flip in 2 months or 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Like, it can flip like that. So it's not a slow market. The same way that it's not a slow market to flipping down. Yes, Stink Ship can recover to 2K21. Yeah, for sure. Lunchbox says Dogecoin to the moon. For a lot of you guys that are new here, definitely join the Telegram and Discord. It's 100% free. When I'm not live, I'm on there. So definitely check it out in the link tree. Bitcoin was the test. The ones tired of market manipulation set the biggest trap for institutions. Yeah, maybe, right? Crash will make you rich with Brett. Y'all be sad when Brett hits $1 to $8. You think Brett's gonna hit $1 to $8? Fahad says, what altcoins are you accumulating? So, just sharing with you guys. Let me know too in the comments, what coins have you guys been buying, if any, right? But today I bought some Graph. I bought some Dogecoin. I bought some. This is actually a better chart here. I bought some Caspa. Dogecoin, Avalanche, Chainlink. So I did buy a lot of coins, but not like a crazy amount worth, right? They're just small amounts of each coin. But a decent amount of the Graph, because I missed out on the Graph, and this is my opportunity to buy on this dip as it's down 50% from 50 cents in March. So I bought the graph, I bought some VeChain. Data is a big one that I bought on this dip. I reached my data goals, okay? And I'm not gonna buy any more data because I reached my goals. And I'm so happy I had this dip because data was literally $3 a couple months back ago. And it came down to $1.67. So data is one of them. I might buy some Brett. You know, who was the one that was spamming Brett? I might buy some Brett because I missed out on Brett and it came down a good amount. I mean, it's down 17% on the weekly. So I might pick up some Brett at these levels. What else did I buy? Yeah, that's mainly it. I bought some helium, a little bit of helium, HNT, T-Fuel, you know, because it's part of the data ecosystem. And a little bit of Flux too. And a little bit of Baby Doge, just a little bit. So that's mainly it. That's mainly the coins that I bought here the last couple of days. Nothing too crazy. But got some Solana. So Steelman says he got some Solana token, Ondo, STX, Flux. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at Ondo. I'm gonna take a look at Ondo to see where it's at, because I might pick up some Ondo too. Where are you from, brother? Originally I'm from Brazil, but I live in the United States, Northeast. So that's where I'm from. Math. I heard of that coin. Let me know more about Math. Little Timmy says he bought TIA A0 ICP. I bought a little bit of ICP too. I think I only bought like 1 or 2 ICP, so not a lot, but what's up with Solana? Good entry too. We'll check out Solana. Patriots fan. To be honest, I love NFL. Like, it's my second favorite sport. I watch it every year. And I don't have, like, I'm not a fan of a certain team, because I didn't grow up, you know, leaning towards a team. I wish I did. I wish I would have had a team growing up that I watched, but, you know, I really don't have a connection with a team. I just like watching it for, you know, players and, you know, all the teams. But I do like the Patriots. I like Tom Brady. In my opinion, he definitely is the GOAT. But let's check out Solana here if it's a good entry, because I might pick up some Solana too if it is. Right. But yeah, this is Solana right now, $143, when it was back here in March, basically over $200. So yeah, my two favorite sports that I watch, honestly, is soccer and football, right? American football. So both footballs I really like. And I mean, like, that I watch and I like enjoy watching. Not a sport that I watch here and there, like tennis or like Formula 1, right? I'm talking about sports that I enjoy watching is American football and football or soccer, right? Stick to the ISO coins. But yeah, like, regarding Solana, I think this is a good entry for Solana being long term here, because this is a nice pullback here from Solana from March. It came down here already 32%. Well, Solana, it actually came down, what was that, 45%? So it came down 45%, and now it's down 32%. So, you know, coming down 45% and then going back up, right? This is a really bullish sign here, because a lot of coins did not have a nice bounce. But I think Solana is a very strong coin here, a very strong chart. And I definitely think under 150 is a good entry to buy chunks here and there, right? Not go all in, of course, right? I'm not telling you to go all in, but definitely buy a little bit here and there. I mean, we can see Solana coming back here to 116, 113. And by the way, Solana came down perfectly to the fib level, right? It came down here perfectly to the Fibonacci level here, that 0.23, which is 114, which is amazing, because I talked about this when Solana had this big pump, right? We talked about where Solana could come down to, and I said this fib level right here, and it came down exactly to it, 114. But I think Solana is too strong to break this and to like come down here to $70. I don't think it'll do that unless Bitcoin goes to like 40s or something. I don't know. Anytime, Slick. Anytime. But yeah, Solana under 150 I think is a good deal. Because most likely Solana is going to go, you know, to 600 plus this bull market. Yeah, Solana could still come down to 130. Yeah, around 130. If Bitcoin, you know, drops slower, we might see Solana 130. Yeah, 600 plus. I think Solana. I mean, Solana has everything to even hit $1,000. So, Nizzle says, "Who's your favorite soccer player?" Great question. I mean, you know, as being Brazilian, you know, my favorite soccer player is going to be Neymar, right? But recently at the moment I do like Vinny, who's also Brazilian. But as favorite, definitely Neymar for sure. TD says, "Hi, how are you, Lewis? What about CRV?" Well, check out CRV. Is Solana? Yeah, Solana's the next ETF, right? There's Ethereum got approved. And I believe Ethereum is going to start trading next month. And I think the next that's going to look to being approved is Solana. So once that happens, I mean, that's when we're going to see Solana start to take off really, really big. What's in the Discord? There's a lot of things in the Discord. It's 100% free. I'll share you it right here. There's a lot of things in the Discord, as we have the main chart, we have the trading, and in the trading I give you guys here updates. We even got people here sharing their trading. We got live, this is another cool thing about the Discord. In the news section, all these crypto news websites, as soon as they upload a news article, it gets posted here by a bot in the Discord. So you can see cryptonews.com, they just posted this today, and it gets uploaded here automatically. So there's a lot of cool things in the Discord. Definitely check it out for free. São Paulo. That's funny. My dad is actually from São Paulo, but I was born in Bahia because he moved there later in his life. So, but I definitely want to go there. I definitely want to visit. You think CRV survived? We'll see. We'll see if CRV can survive. Last time I checked it, it looked ugly, to be honest, and it still does. It still does look ugly, right? So this is a perfect example of a chart that, you know, most likely, like, you don't know if this coin is going to survive. This coin is, it's like buying, you know, if you compare like CRV to even like Dogecoin, for example. So look at this. CRV, right? We're still down here in bear market territory. We have no flip of momentum. And you compare it to Dogecoin, where we broke out of that huge downtrend here in the bear market territory, right? Look at that reversal. Now we're coming down to retest it as support. That is a bullish, you know, structure. And not just Dogecoin, but a lot of altcoins look like that. But CRV, it doesn't look like that. It looks extremely bearish. And you know, I cannot tell you if this coin is going to survive, if this coin is going to flip and survive, because it's not looking like it is. Because every single week we're creating lower lows, right? I mean, this month we created a lower low. So this is a coin that you got to be careful with. Okay, you don't want to go all in. You don't want to be heavy invested in a coin that looks like this when Bitcoin is literally broke all-time highs. And that's another big tip right there for you guys. If you guys are investing in altcoins that are still in bear market levels or creating lower lows while Bitcoin broke all-time highs and is where it is at right now, that is a big red flag to you guys to probably stop, because most likely the odds are against you, right? Most likely that coin will not survive. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying most likely, because, you know, a green flag is a chart that looks like this, right? A chart that broke out of the bear market levels, right? This is the bear market levels here for Shiba Inu, and we had this huge pump out of it, right? When it went up like 50% or something, you know. So that's another tip right there. Not financial advice, but if you're still investing in coins that are in bear market territory, just be careful and, you know, just watch out for that. So, man, is it down because of the weekend? What's down because of the weekend? Bitcoin or CRV? Are you still picking up mobile? I'm not buying mobile. I'm just earning it. I just been earning it. But I did buy some HNT. I bought a little bit of HNT, but I just been earning mobile on Helium Network. I got 70K invested, down 20 G's. Wow. So you're down 20K? Wow. When did you start investing? Did you just start investing in March when we were at the top, near the top, for a lot of altcoins? This is another reason too why a lot of these dips don't really affect me, because I've been buying a lot of altcoins during the bear market. So like I bought Dogecoin at 5 cents, 6 cents. And, you know, Dogecoin coming down from 22 cents to 13 cents, it really doesn't affect me because I didn't buy Doge. My average is not 20 cents. It's around 6 cents. 6 to 7. So Lunchblock says best coin for long term. Obviously Bitcoin, but besides Bitcoin, I would probably say Chainlink is a good one. Yeah, I really like Chainlink. And then I would say Ethereum, Solana, AVAX in that order. You probably got in at the top. I made the mistake of not taking profits, lost them all. Yeah, you know, I wish I would have taken more profits, but I did take some profits on a lot of coins that I made a good amount, like Pepe, Bonk especially too. But, you know, because what happens, a lot of you guys too, right? You guys have your crypto on cold storage wallets, and you know you get lazy, you procrastinate on taking profits because you got to send it from your cold storage wallet to an exchange, and then you also got to pay the network fees and all that. So, you know, I get it, but just remember, guys, when we're at the peak, possibly in 2025, when it's euphoria, take a lot of profits, and I mean like over 90%. Even if you gotta, you know, send it from your cold storage wallet to an exchange, definitely take profits. Your thoughts on Ethereum now? Now I think Ethereum is great. I think Ethereum is there's just too much built on Ethereum for it to be taken down. It's just a monster, right? I mean, it's a lot of projects built on it. And now, especially with the ETF, I mean, the ETF is just the cherry on top that's going to push it further up. So I think Ethereum is definitely a survivor. It might look in the future, long term, over time, could there be a coin that passes Ethereum? Maybe Solana, maybe Cardano, maybe AVAX, I don't know. Yes, but I think that's going to probably take a lot of time. So I haven't looked into Oceans. I know they're AI based, right? I haven't looked into Oceans though, but let me know more about it. It's an AI coin? Yeah. I heard a lot of good things about it. Dogecoin for long. I think Dogecoin long term is good. But when I say long term, I mean, you know, next year, right? The bull market top. Because you don't want to be holding Dogecoin or a lot of altcoins and watching it fall down 90% again, or 80%, or even 50%. So that's my opinion. Look, you know, crypto is different from the stock market. A lot of people that invest in the stock market, they're holding their stocks for like years, right? They're planning on holding it for years. Maybe they have a dividend stock or whatever. You know, crypto, if you really want to not just make profit, but secure the profit, because one thing is buying at the lows, the other thing is selling at the top. You have to not be tied to your coins emotionally, right? Because I know we all can be. You know, we all have favorite coins and all that, and as we go up, we get more bullish and more euphoric. But you gotta be able to not have that emotional ties to it, and be able to sell it in 1, 2, 3 years, right? So, but yeah, we got 16,000 likes. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I'll be live again tomorrow, guys, for sure. If you guys still haven't yet, Caspa meme coins is going to be huge. I'm gonna be bringing you guys more content. If you want long form content, follow me on YouTube. I got over 34K subscribers on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube for long form content, 8-minute plus videos. And I'll also be bringing you short form content videos here on TikTok. Not just for crypto, but for the upcoming Caspa meme coins, Caspa smart contract listings, which I think is going to be huge. If you missed out Solana, if you missed out Base, which I think Base is still pretty early, don't miss out Caspa, guys. And I'm going to show you guys here step by step how to be able to mint Caspa coins once they come out this month. Okay, so I think this is going to be huge. Is it risky? Yes, but it's the same thing with Solana. Were Solana meme coins risky? Yes, but the ones that survived, right, did amazing. So I'll definitely keep you guys up to date, and join the free Telegram and free Discord. Again, my community is 100% free, all in the link tree, and I'll be on there when I'm not live. Just want to thank all of you guys, everyone that sent gifts. Love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I'll see you guys next live stream. Good night, guys. Peace. What's up, guys, on YouTube? Just want to thank you guys so much too. We had a great live stream. Man, we had a, better than I thought we would. With the market, the sentiment being down. But we had a good amount of people, and you guys definitely killed it. So I'll be on again tomorrow, possibly. And yeah, love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.